Multi-card game time! Let's go! Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, and today's video we are going to talk about this 32-in-1 multi-game card. And then is the question, I hope it's going to focus on the camera. It seems to be that it is an interesting multi-game card. It got Pokemon games? Is it a Banjo-Kazooie or something like that? It comes in an original cartridge or something like that, or yeah, it's not original cartridge. They are being very naughty again. Overall, yeah, it's already been opened, so this means that maybe it has some problems. So let's stick it in and let's see if it even works. So it was really a pain in the ass for getting this thing to work, but it's finally recognized by the Game Boy. And yeah, it seems to be that this multi-card is broken, because there is no main menu. Resetting does not work at all. Doesn't save. Alright, what happens if I reset it very quickly? Does it switch to other games? Alright people, this is really horrible. Pocket Monster Crystal version. So is this normal? Change? What can you change? Oh, you can change the type of window, that kind of stuff. But yeah, for this going to be a very quick review, because I think it's from John Connor, that it says here, from the future. Yeah, this is a really big disappointment. I thought it was going to be one epic multi-game card, but nope, it doesn't work at all. Or it doesn't work at all. The main menu is not booting up, and it seems to be it is only loading up a Pokemon game, and the save doesn't work. So yeah, they tried to fix it or so. I have really no clue why they opened it, but yeah, that concludes the video, people. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos, and see you next time. Hi fellow YouTubers, I want to thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Yes, and you also can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, yeah, don't give a shit about Twitter. But Instagram, I make pretty picture and I send on Instagram. So yeah, follow me.